How to fix an order automatically canceled in Amazon Tutorial 2026. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix an Amazon order that was automatically canceled. This happens to thousands of shoppers every day, and most of the time it's fixable. I'll walk you through the exact reasons why it happens and how to solve it. Let's get started. Amazon cancels orders automatically for several reasons. The number one cause is a billing address mismatch. The number two cause is your bank declining the transaction. Other reasons include items going out of stock, suspicious account activity, shipping address issues, or using forwarding addresses. Let me show you how to fix each one. This is the most common reason for instant cancellations. Your billing address must match exactly what your bank has on file, down to the zip code. If you moved recently or are shipping to a friend's house, you might have accidentally mismatched the address. Step 1. Log into your banking app. Go to your account settings or profile. Find your billing address on file. Copy it exactly, including the zip code, apartment number, and every detail. Step 2. Open Amazon in a new tab. Go to your account. Click on Payment Options or your wallet. Find the credit card or debit card you used. Step 3. Edit the card details. Delete the old billing address. Paste the exact address from your bank. Make sure every character matches. Save the changes. Step 4. Go back to your orders. Find the canceled order, click on it, try to reorder the same item. Use the updated payment method. This time it should go through. If your order was for $500 or more, your bank might have flagged it as unusual activity. Your bank sent a soft decline to Amazon and Amazon canceled the order. You might not have realized the decline came from your bank, not Amazon. Step 1. Call your bank directly. Ask, did you see a legitimate attempt from Amazon on today's date? Tell them the amount. Step 2. Explain you placed the order and it's legitimate. Ask them to whitelist Amazon so future purchases go through. Step 3. Ask them to reverse the decline if possible so you can try ordering again. Step 4. Return to Amazon and reorder the item. This time it should be approved. If you're ordering from outside the US and using forwarding services like Aramex, MyUS, or Shopito, Amazon automatically cancels these orders. Amazon views these services as high risk because scammers use them to hide their location. Use your actual residential address instead. If you absolutely need to use a forwarding address, contact Amazon support and explain your situation. They can sometimes make exceptions, but it's not guaranteed. The safest option is using your real address. If the item went out of stock after you ordered but before it shipped, Amazon cancels the order automatically. This is out of your control, but it's fixable. Try reordering the same item. Check if it's back in stock. If it's still out of stock, set up a notification. Click the item page, look for Notify Me. Amazon will email you when it's back in stock. You can then order immediately. If Amazon flags your account for suspicious activity, it cancels orders automatically. This happens after too many returns, disputes, or unusual login attempts. Step 1. Change your Amazon password. Use a strong password with uppercase, lowercase numbers, and symbols. Step 2. Enable two-factor authentication on your account. Go to Account Login and Security. Turn on 2FA. Use an authenticator app or SMS. Step 3. Contact Amazon customer service. Explain that your order was canceled. Ask them to review your account and clear any security flags. Step 4. Wait 24 hours. Try reordering the item. If you're paying entirely with Amazon gift card balance and no credit card, Amazon often cancels for verification. Amazon wants to confirm the gift card wasn't stolen. Add a credit or debit card to your account as a backup payment method. Go to your wallets, add a card, link it to your account. Don't keep retrying with gift cards only, as this might result in your balance being frozen. Contact Amazon support if your account gets restricted. File a specialized appeal. Go to your orders. Find the canceled order, click it, look for cancellation details. Amazon usually explains why. Sometimes it says payment declined, sometimes out of stock, sometimes seller canceled. Read the reason carefully. It tells you exactly what to fix. Keep your billing address current. Whitelist Amazon with your bank. Use your real shipping address. Maintain a good account in good standing. Limit returns if possible. Enable two-factor authentication. Use valid, non-expired payment methods. If none of these fixes work, contact Amazon customer service. Go to your orders, select the canceled order, click Contact Us, explain what happened, ask them to investigate. Amazon customer service can sometimes reinstate orders or provide more specific reasons. Billing address mismatch. Update payment method in your wallet. Bank declined transaction. Call your bank, whitelist Amazon, reorder, out of stock, reorder, or set up notification. Suspicious activity, change password, enable 2FA, contact support. Gift card issue, add credit card as backup, contact support if restricted. Find the cancellation reason in your orders. Contact Amazon support if all else fails. If this tutorial helped you fix your Amazon cancellation, please like and subscribe for more Amazon troubleshooting guides. Comment below and tell me why your order was canceled and which fix worked for you. Thanks for watching.